what we have here is we're going to make a rail out of this spotted gut. What we've done is we've done the rough pieces. We're going to join them all together using a rebate joint. It's done on the one side like that, and then on the other side, so it's reversed. Once we've got those all set up together like that in their pieces, we're going to drill into the sides here, and then on the other way. And once that pre-drilling is done, then you're going to get the glue, going to go along the sides, get that in, and then I'll be drilling them together, hitting them together with the screws like that. So they'll go on one side and the other one, and that'll bring it up nice and tight, hopefully. That's the idea.
Yep. And then this gets sent to the CNC, doesn't it, to get the handrail cut out of it?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Cool.
Come out looking all nice and fancy.